If you think learning coding alone will save your future, you're already late. The world is changing faster than your degree can keep up. According to the World Economic Forum, 40% of the skills you're learning right now will be useless or outdated by 2030. If you're just blindly following the crowd, you aren't building a career, you're building a countdown to being replaced. But if you master these 5 skills by 2026, you won't just survive, you'll lead. And the best part? You don't need a degree, you just need a brain. 0. The foundation. Tool versus brain. Before we dive in, understand this. The tool doesn't make you valuable. The brain behind the tool does. Hard skills like coding or editing are just tools. Soft skills, how you think, are the operator. In 2026, the world won't pay for people who can use tools. It will pay for people who can solve problems. 1. The superpower. Deep work and focus. In an era of 7-second reels, focus is a superpower. Most people aren't failing because they lack talent. They're failing because they can't sit still for 30 minutes without checking Instagram. While they scroll, you build. The fix? The Pomodoro method. 25 minutes, pure, undistracted execution. 5 minutes, total rest. If you can master just 2 hours of deep work a day, you will automatically outpace 90% of your generation. In 2026, skill isn't rare, focus is. 2. The reality. AI literacy. Stop asking if AI will take your job. AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. AI is the ultimate leverage. Can't design? Use AI to generate visuals. Can't write? Use AI to structure your scripts. Can't research? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Don't be a spectator, be an operator. Start offering AI-assisted services to creators and businesses now. They don't want AI work, they want speed. Give it to them. 3. The craft. True video editing. Stop calling yourself an editor just because you know how to use Premiere Pro or CapCut. Software makes you an operator. Thinking makes you an editor. Real editing isn't about transitions, it's about emotional manipulation. It's about knowing when to cut to make a viewer feel a certain way. The secret? Don't study the software, study the top creators. Look at their pacing, their silence, and their rhythm. Master the why, and the how becomes easy. 4. The game changer. Content creation. This is where everything changed for me. In 2022, I had an 800 rupee mic, a basic smartphone, and a lot of self-doubt. I spent nights wondering if anyone would even listen. I made mistakes, I posted videos that got 0 views, and I almost quit 3 times. But I didn't. In 2025, that same low-quality setup turned into a 10 lakh income and a full team. 2026 is your year to start. Forget the perfect gear. Planning greater than luck. I want to help you skip the mistakes I made. If you want me to teach you how to build a faceless empire from scratch, comment YT 2026 below. The closer. Storytelling. If you can't tell a story, you're invisible. Whether you're selling a product, a video, or yourself, story is king. People don't watch videos because the edit is clean. They watch because the story is clear. Master communication, and you'll never be out of a job. The bottom line? The world is getting noisier. These 5 skills are your way to stand out. If you're ready to stop watching and start building, comment YT 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay focused.